Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this vlog, I'm going to take you to my crazy adventure of coloring my hair. But you see, before I went to the gym this morning, I had to do a little bit of covering of camouflaging. It's a hair powder. This actually did a little bit of help. But then, after dancing for more than 60 minutes, and sweating a lot, so I really would like to try it and do it myself. So, stand by and let's see if this will really help in covering the gray. Let's make it a little funky. Yes? Come with me. So as you can see, I have just washed my hair and it's now white. Really white. At least 2 inches or 6 centimeters if I'm not mistaken. This is exciting! So in this box, we have the plastic gloves. This is a crush bag. I have read the instruction Okay guys, I think I got everything covered. I hope. Yeah, everything is covered. The back. Yes. So, what I will do now. This is not included in the pack. It's not in the box. And then we wait for, let's make it 25 minutes. Okay guys, let's see what's gonna happen next. 25 minutes later, I'm gonna shower, wash my hair, shampoo my hair. I'm not going to bring you down. You stay here. This is what's happening so far. This is what I see so far. Don't know if I'm pleased. I'm not sure if I'm going to recommend you to try. So let me blow dry my hair and I'm gonna show you later the final result.
Yeah. Bring you home. Yeah, come on. 나를 거울 앞에서 세상이게 만들어버린 너 근데 나도 내가 변할 줄은 몰랐어 너 때문에 내가 변할 줄은 몰랐어 예뻐져라 예뻐져 너만 내게 빠져들 수 있게 예뻐져 예뻐져 예뻐져라 예뻐져 그 누구도 다가올 수 없게 예뻐져 yes